am I? Help! Help! Somebody help me!
Hello, Michael. I want to play a game. So far, what could loosely be called your life has been spent watching others. Society calls you an informer, a rat, a snitch. I call you unworthy of the body you possess, of the life you've been given. Now we'll see if you're willing to give up the one thing you rely on to keep living. Around your neck is a death mask. Why are you staring at me like that? Oh, stop it. Stop it. Please, Chief, just stop it.
I'm sorry, if you've said anything, I can't hear you. I'm deaf, and I can't read your lips because you don't have any. Mind using I don't know, flashcards or something?